Hey everybody, I'm Dave Gove with eXp Realty here in Truckee, California, and today I am with
Katie Rice from Guild Mortgage in Truckee.
And today we wanted to talk about why it's important to work with regional lenders who understand the market. You know, there's a lot of opportunities to go out there and get a Quicken loan online, or maybe work with your cousin, you know, who's in Sandusky or something like that. But it's more important to work with a regional lender who understands the market and may have some other tools available. So Katie, you were telling me about a deal you saved from Wells Fargo, right?
Yes, yes. So we had a deal that the client was working with us, and we have, at Guild, we've been in business for over 60 years, and we have many different investors, as well as we use our own money. And the deal fell apart not because of the client not qualifying, but because of the property. Wells Fargo had gotten conservative.
And that was here in Tahoe, right?
That was here in Tahoe, just a couple weeks ago.
Okay.
And they thought the property was unique, and there was nothing unique. It was a typical Tahoe property. We ended up bringing it to another investor and saying, will you accept this? And they're like, absolutely, we'll accept this. This is not an unusual property. And so we were able to switch it to a different lender, as opposed to if that client had just been working directly with the bank, they would have been done.
They would have lost the deal.
Yeah, and I think a lot of banks are getting a little more conservative, whereas Guild is actually getting a little more creative in helping clients.
And speaking of creativity, you mentioned you had a new product?
Yes. We have a new product that only, I think, 5 lenders in the nation are using it, and we are creating it, and we're one of those, and we also have the cheapest cost to do it. It's called a cash pass.
Okay.
As you know, many offers are getting bypassed because they're loans as opposed to cash.
Right. So a lot of sellers take a look at, say you have 2 offers, one's a loan and one's cash. That loan one's still subject to an appraisal and loan docs and all these other things that could go sideways. But this is basically the same thing as cash?
As buying cash. So our clients get qualified for the loan, and these are all conforming loans. So we went back to those in our area. Right now they're just conforming. We're working on jumbo products for the cash pass.
Okay, and that conforming loan limit right now is $647,000, correct?
Here in Nevada County, in Truckee, $647,200. If it's anywhere in Placer County, which is also in Truckee as well, it's $675,050.
Got it.
It's like a weird number. It's a county number.
Okay.
So it is those conforming loan size, but what we do is we get the client qualified for that loan, and then we send their file to a committee at Guild, because it's actually Guild's money.
Okay, got it.
They're looking over the client's whole portfolio, and they say, we trust that we can do this loan at some point, so we are going to give them cash.
Got it.
It's called cash pass because we really don't want to just give you the cash. We would rather do a loan, but we know it can make a difference in the seller's mind.
Yes.
So we've approved you. You'll get a pre-approval letter saying you're paying cash.
Excellent.
You will still need to get an appraisal.
Yep.
You will need to do some other small things, which we can describe if you are going to go through it. But they will look at everything, and within 14 days minimum, they don't want to go shorter than 14 days, you can close the loan in cash. If for some reason the appraisal didn't come back, all those things that normally are needed for a loan don't come back, they will, having looked at your whole portfolio that we provided them the loan, they will go ahead and pass cash through. They will buy the house, they will own the house, and then they will turn around and sell it back to you.
Effectively refi it.
They're effectively selling it to you. And so the big thing as you...
Is it a double close?
It's a double close. That's
okay,
the
so
biggest
there's a couple things in there that you need to know, because there's going to be some more closing costs involved.
Correct. So that's why our goal is, and working with someone like Dave, it's going to be easy because he's going to negotiate for you the longest closing time he can.
True story.
Closing time he can. So he might ask them for 21 days so that we know the appraisal's back, because our goal really, like I said, is to close the loan.
Yes.
We would rather close it as a loan because you, Mr. or Mrs. Borrower, we want to basically incur the least amount of cost for you. The cost for the cash pass is $1,350. It's the lowest of all the other 5 lenders who are offering
$1,350 fee for the cash pass.
$1,350.
Okay.
And if we close with the loan, that would be the only cost you have. If we can't close within that time period because Guild has to buy it, because we have to pass that cash through, like Dave said, it's a double close. So Guild will have incurred those costs for the close because they'll have essentially bought the property for you, and then they will have to reimburse themselves. And so it will be almost like a double closing cost. And so I'd say it's about $5,000 additional.
Sure. Okay. But $5,000 additional to actually get into a deal in this market is something that should definitely be considered.
Correct.
Yeah. So that's a great program.
And there's another program you can use with that one. So it's called our Bridge program.
Okay.
And again, just a Guild product. Again, conforming loan size at this time. We're working on the jumbos. But what they'll do is, if let's say you have your house and you don't want to sell it right now till you secure that other property, they will do what's known as a bridge loan for you. They'll do the cash pass. They'll do anything they can to help you get into the property.
And that's why you want to work with a regional lender.
Yeah, we think outside the box.
Yeah.
We definitely are trying to find different ways to help you get into the home. So we have so many different products, as opposed to if you're working with a bank or someone who doesn't really work in educating their clients and looking at different things. Because if you call an online lender, they just don't have those skills.
Right. They don't have those tools in their toolbox. Yeah. Awesome. Well, folks, if you have any questions about mortgages, you can reach out to Katie here. And if you have any questions about real estate, you can reach out to me. I'm Dave Gove with eXp Realty here in Truckee, California. And again, I'm with
Katie Rice from Guild Mortgage, and we make a great team. So
if you have any questions, you can go ahead and reach out to us, or you can leave us a comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.